Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to diagnose and fix a misfire in cylinder 3. When your engine experiences a misfire, it means that one cylinder, in this case cylinder 3, isn't properly burning its fuel and air mixture. You might notice symptoms like a flashing check engine light, a rough idle, or a noticeable loss of power. The first crucial step is to connect an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to your vehicle to confirm the specific P0303 diagnostic trouble code. Once you've confirmed the P0303 code, let's investigate the ignition system. A common culprit is a faulty spark plug. Carefully remove the spark plug from cylinder 3 and visually inspect it for any signs of wear, damage, or an incorrect gap. A quick diagnostic trick is to swap the spark plug from cylinder 3 with one from an adjacent cylinder. If the misfire code then moves to the new cylinder, you've found your problem. Similarly, inspect the ignition coil for cracks or burn marks, and try swapping it with another coil to see if the misfire follows. Beyond the ignition system, fuel delivery issues are another frequent cause of misfires. A clogged or malfunctioning fuel injector in cylinder 3 can starve the cylinder of necessary fuel. You can test the injector's electrical connection and resistance, or even swap it with another cylinder's injector to see if the misfire shifts. If ignition and fuel systems check out, the next step is to assess engine compression. A compression test measures the pressure inside the cylinder, indicating the health of components like piston rings and valves. Low compression in cylinder 3 points to a mechanical issue. If the basic checks don't reveal the problem, it's time for more advanced diagnostics. Look for vacuum leaks around the intake manifold and any connected hoses, as these can disrupt the air-fuel ratio. More serious mechanical issues, such as worn piston rings, damaged valves, or a leaking head gasket, can also cause a misfire. These often require specialized tools and expertise. If you're unsure, it's always wise to consult a qualified mechanic. Remember to also check for any other diagnostic trouble codes, as they might point to a larger underlying engine problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.